In the rest of this film, you'll see.
High tech.
This is a scramble at the one of Russian aviation's plants. I found at it aluminium framework and made from it the base plate for platform mounting at the hydraulic dynamic platform for my full flight simulator of a flight aircraft Cessna 172. There is transportation of base plate for mounting for do-it-yourself full flight simulator from the scramble. Its framework of aluminium had been mounted here at the flight simulator. This is a broken hydraulic jack B8AT at this scramble. It had been mounted here as a tripod support of the dynamic platform at the flight simulator. This is an electromagnetic hydraulic valve, a GA163, at the same scramble. Sometime later, it controlled a hydraulic liquid in the flight simulator. This is an artificial horizon, AGB3K. It has been mounted at the main instrument panel of flight simulator. This is a hydraulic pump, NR1. Had been mounted here at the flight simulator. This is a framework. It was used as a base for assembling electrical power supply rack of the flight simulator.